Open Surface 5a.dwg. In Tool Space, on the Settings tab, expand the Surface Styles. Right-click the standard surface style. Click Copy. In the Surface Style dialog box, on the Information tab, for name, enter Watersheds. On the Watersheds tab, in the Watershed Properties table, expand the Depression Watershed property group. Change Use Hatching to True. Click Hatch Pattern and click. In the Hatch Properties dialog box, specify the following parameters. On the Display tab, in the Component Display table, click next to Watersheds to turn on display of the watershed components. In Tool Space, on the Prospector tab, expand the Surfaces collection. Right-click the XGND surface. Click Surface Properties. In the Surface Properties dialog box, on the Information tab, for Surface Style, select Watersheds. On the Analysis tab, for Analysis Type, select Watersheds. Ensure that Standard is selected in the legend list. Click to generate the watershed analysis. Click. On the Watershed Display dialog box, click next to Boundary Point and Boundary Segment to turn off the display of these watershed types. Click OK twice. In Tool Space, on the Prospector tab, expand the Surfaces XGND collection. Click the Watersheds collection. Optionally, pan or zoom to an individual watershed. Right-click the watershed item in the list view and click Pan to or Zoom to. In Tool Space, on the Settings tab, expand the Surface Table Styles Watershed collection. Right-click the standard style. Click Edit. In the Table Style dialog box, on the Data Properties tab, clear the Sort Data checkbox. Click Annotate tab Labels and Tables panel. Add Tables menu. Add Surface Legend table. At the prompt to specify the table type, enter Watersheds. You are prompted to specify whether you want the table to automatically update if the analysis information changes. Enter Dynamic to enable automatic updating. Click a location in the drawing where you want to place the upper left corner of the table. In the drawing, select the surface. Click Tin Surface tab Surface Tools panel. Extract from Surface drop-down Extract Objects. The Extract Objects from Surface dialog box lists all of the surface properties that are visible in the currently selected surface style. Clear all boxes in the Properties column except for Watersheds. In the drawing, click inside a watershed area. On the command line, enter List. Open Surface 5c.dwg. Click Analyze tab Ground Data Panel Flow Paths drop-down Water Drop. In the Water Drop dialog box, specify the following parameters. Click OK. In the drawing, click several locations near those displayed in the following illustration. Press Enter to end the water drop command. Click Analyze tab. Ground Data Panel Catchments drop-down Catchment Area. In the Catchment dialog box, specify the following parameters. Click OK. In the drawing, click the plus marker for each water drop path. Press Enter to end the catchment area command. In the drawing, select the polygons that define catchment areas. Right-click. Select Isolate Objects. Isolate selected objects. Select the polygons again. On the command line, enter line work shrink wrap. In the drawing, right-click. Click Isolate Object. Send Object Isolation. The remaining drawing objects are displayed in the drawing window.